What's up everyone? For today's video ay tatalakayin natin kung bakit nga ba unable to use ang star button. Kaya stay tuned until the very end para wala kayong ma-miss na information. Why am I unable to use the Facebook star button? There are 6 factors kung bakit unable to use ang Facebook star button. First is, baka bago pa lang ang iyong account kaya kailangan mo munang mag-exceed ng at least 30 days para maging available ang stars. Second, baka disable ang iyong payment account. Kung hindi ka makapag-purchase ng stars, kailangan mo munang i-check ang iyong Facebook payment account at i-view ang iyong star balance. Third, stars are turned off for the creator. Naka-turn off ang star button kapag hindi ka makapag-send ng stars sa isang creator. Kaya kailangan mo nang i-turn on ito para makapag-send and receive ng stars. Fourth, your version of the app is outdated. Once outdated, kailangan lang natin i-update ito. I-click lang natin itong update and madirect tayo sa App Store or Play Store. I-click lang natin itong update to get the new version of the app. Once done, i-click lang natin itong open. Updated na ang ating Facebook, and now we can enjoy the new version of the app. Fifth, you are not currently logged in, so kailangan na natin mag-login para ma-access natin ang stars. Lastly, you are in an eligible country. So kung hindi mo ma-access ang stars, possible na you are residing in eligible country. So para malaman mo kung eligible ka o hindi ka eligible sa Facebook stars, pinutin mo lang itong professional dashboard sa iyong profile. Scroll up lang, pinutin ang stars. And then, scroll up again, pinutin itong about Facebook stars. Until ang saglit, scroll up lang and there you have it. Makikita mo dito ang list kung saan eligible for monetization at ang countries naman na hindi naman eligible for stars. At iyon ang mga posibleng dahilan kung bakit unavailable ang stars sa Facebook. Kung meron po kayong tanong, comment down below. At kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video ito, don't forget to like and subscribe. And click niyo na rin po yung notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa upcoming kong videos. And that's all for today's video, guys. See you sa next video. Thank you for watching.